In today's video, let's learn how to add bank account in Google AdSense. In my previous video, I have shown you how to verify our identity and payment address. Once your identity and address verification are completed, next step is to link your bank account to Google AdSense. Click on Payments Info. Under How You Get Paid section, click on Add Payment Method. Enter your full name as shown on your bank statement. If your bank account in Canada, you must enter the 3-digit institution number of your bank, 5-digit branch transit number, and 7 to 12-digit your account number. When you log into your bank account, click on Void Check. You will find these 3 numbers. I have updated all these numbers as per the Void Check and clicking on Save. Google will deposit less than 0.35 Canadian dollar into your bank account within the next 3 to 5 business days. Once you receive the amount from the Google, go to the payment methods page and enter the exact amount of the deposit. Click on Got it. Now verification is pending. You will also receive an email from Google, verify your bank account. After 3 days, Google deposited $0.22 in my bank account. You haven't completed the verification process for bank account. Click on Verify Now. From this drop-down, I have to select $0.22 which was deposited by Google. Click on Verify. Your bank account is verified. Now my bank account is been linked to Google AdSense. You will also receive confirmation email from Google stating your bank account is verified. I hope this video is helpful. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.